What's going on, guys? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing a $50 to $100 Eagle giveaway once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, just to give back to the community, guys. I appreciate the support. We're going there. We're almost at 800 subscribers. Really do appreciate that. I do have a website as well, crustlesscrypto.com. If you want to check it out, get your up-to-date news articles, as well as support my Patreon or donate, please feel free to do so. And also follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram. Links and are all in the description down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday or Thursday, wherever you are. Today, we're going to be talking about some awesome e-gold updates. Real quick, taking a look at the market, right? Bitcoin's at $44,000, sitting around 545. Market's at $1.9 trillion. Nothing too crazy. We are having some reds today. A little bit of a pullback from a couple days of pumps. So some coins are still up, like Near Protocol is up 15%, up 38% this week. We do have a lot of good coins here that are going up in price. So if you've already invested about a month ago, you're already seeing at least double or triple your returns, which is pretty nice, right? E-gold right now is sitting at $143. As you all know, it went all the way up to $150. I foresee E-gold going up to hopefully testing at $175. We will see in time what the rest of the market does, but E-gold is getting recognized out there. It's sitting at number 47 on the ranking. Top 50 coins, guys. I'm saying long-term, E-gold is going to hit the top 10, and that's for sure. And I'm 100% confident on that. We're just gonna have to see exactly how it plays out and how successful the Mara exchange is. I say this every single time. So real quickly, we're gonna be taking a look at some new updates here. Coming from Benjamin Minku, breaking worldwide acclaimed Untold Mega Festival partners with Elrond, guys. Best DJs in the world, unique NFT moment, Elrond e-gold payments, Untold Festival 2021, guys. So are you ready? Mission 10, day 14, guys. So let us take a look at this new update here and see what the article talks about. Supercharging exposure, the worldwide acclaimed Untold Mega Festival partners with Elrond to create unique NFT moment and accepts e-gold payments, guys. So the worldwide acclaimed Untold Mega Festival and the largest in Europe this year announced that Untold 2021 is entering a creative partnership with Elrond. Set to be a gathering of epic proportions, the festival, who was attended by more than 372,000 people in 2019, will host the top 3 best DJs in the world. David Guetta, hopefully I pronounced that right, Martin Garrix, Dimitri Vegas, and Like Mike, guys. So big players here in the music space, as well as international legends such as The Script, Power of Stellar, Tyga, Sam Feld, and many other incendiary bands, artists, and DJs that are set to take the stages by storm. The creative collaboration will give all Untold attendees the chance to experience a special NFT moment, which organizers say will be a memorable experience that should not be missed. The resulting NFTs will be dropped in the Mara NFT marketplace at a later time, where attendees will be able to pick them up as part of their eternal digital collection of important life moments. Pretty awesome stuff, guys. Let's read some more. Electronic music and cryptocurrency enthusiasts will be able to purchase attendance tickets using the e-gold cryptocurrency that powers the Elrond network internet scale blockchain and the viral crypto super app Myar. The collaboration fees between the two partners will be settled in e-gold and will be kept as such on the Untold SRL balance sheets, marking an important precedent for cryptocurrency surging as a relevant financial instrument in the entertainment industry, guys. Elrond representatives will be present at the event in the Elrond Lounge, where festival goers can drop by to get surprises and information about exciting developments in the Elrond ecosystem. At the same time, festival goers who are new to crypto will be able to learn about blockchain technology, get the Myra wallet, and own their first cryptocurrency. Guys, this is freaking huge, because the amount of exposure that e-gold is going to get at this concert, if they're going to have their own lounge and booth set up where people can go and actually learn about the coin, can increase its valuation. And you have big ticket players like Tyga, David Guetta, all going to be at this festival. And this shows kind of like what Elrond is going to be doing and how involved it's going to be. I mean, this is going to be taking place in Europe, right? So you got everybody from Europe, massive crowds, right? This is very exciting. I'm looking forward to exactly how far we come with this. I mean, as you can see from this picture, if this concert like this, like Tomorrowland, for example, a big rave concert is going to have this much people attending, Elrond's going to get a lot of publicity, guys. And this is what Elrond needs. It needs to get known out there, like Dogecoin, right? If we look at Dogecoin's sitting at number 7 with $38 billion market cap. Elrond right now is only sitting at less than $3 billion. You're talking about a potential 10x 10 to 15x, guys, on your money right now if Elrond gets to that same stage as Dogecoin. So we're just going to have to wait and see, guys, what exactly is going to happen here. Very exciting stuff. Very exciting stuff. And lastly, if we see the quote here, blockchain from Benjamin Minku, blockchain technology has immense potential for large gatherings of digital natives who for a brief period of time become part of a hyper-local economy. This year, we engage with Eagle ticket purchases and NFTs. We look forward to exploring additional use cases in the following editions, such as festival economy running on semi-fungible tokens issued on the Elrond network, or artists dropping NFTs live on stage for all their Myar fans to uniquely engage with. And then we're finally getting, this is from Bogdan Radulescu, hopefully I pronounced that right, head of partnerships and new business at Untold Festival. We're finally getting back together, this time in a slightly different world where recent circumstances have increased our appreciation for digital experiences even more. We're excited to work together with the Elrond network and fuse the live and digital together in a series of unique moments, and we are happy that thanks to this partnership, our community will be able to interact with blockchain technology on the festival site. So, again, guys, looking forward to this concert. I wish I could go myself to be there. I love a good rave, but you know I have to see from the watch from the sidelines. But awesome news. This is coming from CryptoTex. Really good information. If you guys want to follow him at CryptoTex on Twitter, very good post, and I'm going to be covering it as well in this video. So he says, Elrond is a dark horse so powerful that it can become the foundation for a secure, global, decentralized, scalable financial system. The thread is about Elrond's fast-approaching growth engine that will suddenly put it in the spotlight, setting an industry standard in the space. So, it all started with two brothers, Benjamin Minku and Lucien Minku, has been working in crypto since 2012. Working in the space, as well as seed funding several projects, allowed them to have deep insight into the solutions that were being built and possibilities that crypto brings. Of course, being such early adopters and investors allowed them to solve the money problem to where they were sufficiently funded to dedicate their lives to solving the trilemma, something they were dedicated to achieve after seeing so many projects fail to accomplish. They gathered mathematicians, engineers, etc., whose lives were entwined in the blockchain world, aiming to solve two formulas they believe would together conquer the trilemma. From this, the ideas of secure proof of stake and adaptive state sharding are formed. These are the two cornerstones, the two pillars of the Elrond network and what makes it different from other blockchains out there. By 2017, Elrond Network was formed to build the only fully sharded blockchain network, secure, decentralized, and highly scalable. Learning from projects and research across the space, the team began building from the ground up and haven't yet stopped. In May 2019, with the backing of Binance Labs, Elrond secured $1.9 million in funding from 5 venture capital firms, as well as angel investors in the UK, India, Israel, Asia, and the European Union. The figure seems low, but ensured a fair distribution of funds and low barrier to entry. And you guys can check this picture out. The evidence of the fair distribution is seen today with Elrond boasting the highest number of validators of any proof of stake blockchain and over 82,000 users of staking. Currently, validator count is locked at 3,200, but decentralization will continue. And it will definitely continue because they will have governance where people can vote on certain things that happen to the blockchain. And that will be coming soon, I believe, on the Myar exchange. The team were committed to delivering, and the brothers had the funds they needed, investing their own money into building the project, ensure they would keep focused on building a low-latency, transparent global financial system, the infrastructure to achieve mass adoption, guys. And as you can see here, the performance of Elrond compared to others is just super fast, guys, blowing others out of the water. In July 2020, the Elrond mainnet launched after a successful testnet, achieving over 260,000 transactions per second. Along the way, Elrond secured countless partnerships who would commit to building on the network. This thread will mention many, so they have a whole bunch of partners, guys. I mean, each video that I put out is just new collaborations. Myar app is as secure as a hardware wallet while allowing dApp integration. Currently supporting BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and eGold, with many coming, including Bitcoin USD. It is feature-rich as it is beautiful. The possibilities are endless as dApps and native tokens begin to integrate. Let's look at what Elrond Network are currently working on. First, they're doing the Myar exchange, right? We're not going to be talking too much about it, but because I always talk about this, but the token is to be fairly launched, right? The MEX token, claimable by eGold, Cake, Uni, and Sushi holders. So as you know, the MEX applies right here. This ensures that the DEX is 100% community owned and that the MEX token is in the hands of the Elrond community and those that have contributed to other DEXs previously. Claimable upon the DEX launch will be LK MEX, MEX that can't be instantly sold. So liquidity, right? It's a whole bunch. You can only have 10% of your own MEX be able to claim and actually sell if you wanted to. The other 90% will be locked in liquidity, and then you'll be able to get that after a year, I believe. LK MEX, can only be sold 1 year after its creation at a rate of 16.66% per month. This ensures that the initial supply of MEX is not instantly sold on the market and forces the receivers of liquidity MEX to earn by adding liquidity rather than dumping the price instantly like many people would. This forces bootstrap liquidity while maintaining a demand while liquidity is added to token pairs. It's not exactly clear as to how many tokens will be present on launch, but Elrond have countless partners, bridges to multiple chains, and stocks and commodities that can be listed. To maintain decentralization, exchange and team wallets are enabled to claim LK MEX. Liquidity tokens are rewarded as SFTs, which can be traded directly or borrowed against, adding unique utility to the fast, secure, and decentralized exchange, guys. Pretty in-depth tweet here, but it's important information. Let's keep going. Next, Elrond have a launchpad nearing being ready to show off. This launchpad will showcase new innovations in the space, individually vetted by the Elrond team. The launchpad will ensure funding and liquidity for projects launching while rewarding the community with tokens. The Myra app is the perfect everyday wallet for securing funds. Elrond are going through the legal process of getting a debit card approved for usage of funds from your Elrond wallet. Once this happens, guys, I'm definitely going to be getting me a debit card myself because that is going to be huge. Whether it's a stable coin or eGold itself, you can then shop using any ESDT seamlessly. Pairing with the lending platform Elrond Network begins to look more like a bank than a blockchain. Imagine purchasing Bitcoin USD directly and lending it out, receiving interest. You can then decide to withdraw some funds to buy groceries using your card. It will feel like a bank, like you're using your own bank to shop and use, cryptocurrency, which is awesome. NFTs are huge. Elrond know this and been working on an NFT marketplace. Together with several partners and the unique properties of ESDTs, NFTs have plenty of potential on Elrond. More on this soon. And NFTs can also be used as a value store representing real assets. I mean, as you can see, some NFTs sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? Decentralized identity is important for the space. Benjamin Miku has shown enthusiasm with the solution they have in mind. The white paper mentions decentralized identification and collaboration to introduce an identity standard. Rest assured, its timing will be ideal and adoption appealing. So, bridges allow for value transfers and datacom tunnels across chains. This interoperability operates similarly to Cosmos solution, and tunnels are able to be built across nearly any chain, giving Elrond the ability to become a hub for connected, interoperable blockchains. Developers are incentivized to build with 30% smart contract royalties, ensuring income on every transaction. Due to the Wasm VM, a smart contract framework can be built for any programming language, allowing mainstream developers to build with minimal barrier to entry. Gas fees are arbitrary and can be set via governance, and this ensures that validators and stakers are getting fair APY while ensuring low fees. A governance platform is still to come, as well as plenty of other features incorporating into the Myra app. With only $350 million of eGold left on exchanges, its price is very easy to move. Sol's 24-hour volume is over 5 times that of the supply. Cardano's is 10, Doge's is 15x, and eGold trading volume is only 90 million, 35 times lower than Sol. With a massive ecosystem on the way, this trading volume will increase, which will in turn push the price into new levels, guys. Elrond also have a treasury wallet of which contains 760,000 eGold, none of which has ever been sold. As the ecosystem launches, it may finally be time to begin advertising, something that Elrond has purposely avoided due to its higher impact when paired with network effects. So it's trying to focus on its ecosystem. Once it's established its ecosystem and its product, then they can start pushing for advertising. There's no point in shilling a coin just for price movements when it's not the vision that they have, right, for the blockchain. So very big news, guys. Again, CryptoTex, I really appreciate this tweet, this post. Very impactful, very insightful, very in-depth. I read it verbatim because it's very important news for you guys. If you guys are sticking around, thank you. For me personally, there's a lot of people that put in work to get this information and to give it to us. And I want to present it to you all in a way if you're not tracking or you did not know some things about the Elrond network, right? I'm not here to shill it because I want to make money. Yes, we all want to invest and I want our investment to have returns, but it's a new movement, guys. Cryptocurrency is a new technology, just like the internet was, for your parents or grandparents, depending on how old you are. But this is the new era, guys. We're in the 21st century, and there's going to be a lot of different things happening. CryptoTex, again, brother or sister, thank you very much for this tweet. Please follow them. Very insightful. My thoughts on it is that all these things that Elrond is doing is pushing for that mass adoption, right? They already have the app, they already have the Myer Exchange in the works, and then they're going to have a launch pad for many different things that's going to be on it, right? For developers and dApps. So I'm looking forward exactly to what Elrond's going to be showing. This price right now is going to be nothing compared to what it's going to be in the next year or two. I'm fully confident on this coin, on this blockchain. It's going to take some time for the price to move. But obviously, as you can see, very powerful stuff, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I appreciate your support. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to that 1,000 subscriber mark so I can give you guys some money. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.
Bye.